We just got back from the market. Letty's down for a nap. Gemma is still walking around, but it's almost nap time. Before I put everything away, I wanted to do a quick little farmer's market haul because I like doing that. First thing I got were these 2 bags of spring mix, some blueberries, even though we have a bunch. It's Gemma's doing. Some fresh squeezed little juices. Got 1 Valencia orange juice, strawberry, orange, and pineapple, and then watermelon, cucumber, mint, apple, lemon, pineapple, and strawberry. This one's really refreshing, but with the aspect of having vitamin C, you know what I mean? And then some zucchini. And then a whole chicken. Sorry if it grossed you out, but yeah. And that is all I got from the market. Actually, what else did I get? Got some strawberries, which I have to sift through because some of them were kind of yucky, but the woman that was selling them was very kind because Gemma went and tried to take some out of the ones that we bought to eat, and the first 2 that she grabbed were all like moldy and mushy, so I brought it to her attention and she was willing to she let us keep the one that we already had and then gave us a new one, which was very kind of her. Yeah, so got 2 quarts of some fresh strawberries. I'm gonna wash those now, and then I'm gonna probably put Gemma down for a nap, change into my swimsuit, and lay out for a little bit. Going cold probably. I actually have to run to the grocery store to get some ingredients for dinner tonight because Zach is making it. I told him that I would. He's gonna make us homemade garbage plates, which is going to be super yummy. Cheese. Just made some lunch. We've got these chili lime chicken skewers, some garlic, butter, herb, seasoned potatoes, spring mix from the farmer's market this morning with some Caesar dressing for a nice little healthy lunch.
Great. Try a bake.